A very good afternoon to you all. Okay, this is your science class. In the previous classes, we have studied about the different forms of energy that we have already studied, right? I have taught you about the light energy. Okay, so as you know that light energy means the energy that help us to see the things, which give us the sensation of vision. That is only light energy. This light energy. Okay, the light energy help us to things around us, and sun is the major source. Sun is the major source of the light energy, and there are number of sources that give us energy. As you can see here, that bulbs, LEDs, CFLs, candles, all are here. Okay, so these are the sources of energy. Okay, and plants also take the light energy that I taught you. Okay, then after that we have studied the heat energy. Okay, in the heat energy, first of all look at the pictures. That picture I am talking about first of all. Okay, in this picture you can see very well that food is being cooked, and in this one the solar cooker is there, and this solar cooker is preparing the food with the help of heat of the sun. That is heat energy. Then the next one that we have discussed, it was electrical energy. The energy that is generated at power station. Are known as electrical energy. And as you know that we uses electrical energy in doing number of things, in running so many appliances. And finally I taught you about the wind energy. Wind energy means the energy that is given by the wind, and wind means moving air. Moving air is known as wind. Okay, and we uses the wind energy in generating the electricity. And you can see these are the windmills. Okay, these are the windmills that we uses for the wind energy. And now this one. Now just look at these things that you know very well. These are loudspeaker, that is guitar. So what is common in between? That they both produces sound. The guitar produces sound in the form of music, that we say music. And in the second one, it only gives the sound. Whatever is spoken inside it, that is being announced all over. Okay, so what are they? Sound. They are producing sound. So actually class, sound is also a kind of energy. Okay, this is also a type of energy. The energy produced by the vibrations. The energy produced by the vibration of an object is called sound energy. यानी जब भी आप किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को स्ट्राइक करते हो, या अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट वाइब्रेट होता है, if any object vibrates, vibrate means हिलना. As you know that in our phones we have one option known as vibration. At that time our phone vibrate, यानी वो हिलने लगता है ना, it vibrates. And whenever it vibrate, it also produces some kind of sound. So every object that vibrates, that produces sound. Okay, So the energy produced by the vibration of an object. ठीक है, the energy produced by the vibration of an object is called sound energy. यानी जो एनर्जी किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के वाइब्रेट होने से, वाइब्रेट मतलब हिलने से, वाइब्रेट मीन्स हिलना, कंटिन्यूअसली मूव करना, दैट इज वाइब्रेशन. जैसे कि यू मस्ट हैव सीन हमारी जो वॉल क्लॉक होती हैं, वॉल क्लॉक में कई बार यू मस्ट हैव सीन देयर इज दैट इज सम पेंडुलम लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज देयर. एक पेंडुलम जैसे स्ट्रक्चर होती है एंड दिस पेंडुलम कीप्स ऑन मूविंग हेयर एंड हेयर. So this is that movement of the pendulum. Okay, that is also vibration. इधर से उधर move करना is vibration. Okay, that is vibration. So these things are the vibrations. Okay. And whenever an object vibrates, it produces sound. It produces sound energy. So it is very simple. As you can see in the guitar, the strings are there. Strings, wires and wires, strings. So when the person pluck the strings, pluck means उन्हें disturb करना. ओके, प्लक मीन्स लाइक डिस्टर्ब करना. ये जो वायर्स हैं, इन वायर्स को जब वो डिस्टर्ब करता है, वेन एवर इट डिस्टर्ब्स द वायर स्ट्रिंग्स, देन द साउंड प्रोड्यूसेस. ओके, इवन इफ यू स्ट्रेच अ रबर बैंड, okay, and the rubber band is attached on both the sides. Now you just disturb the rubber band from the middle. From the middle you disturb. What it will do? It will go here and there. आगे पीछे. It keeps on doing. So that is at that time also, if you put your ear near to it, you can hear some sound. You can also hear some sound. In the same way, the mosquitoes, when they flap their wings up down in a very, very fast manner, then also we hear the sound of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes do not produce sound from their mouth. No. It automatically produces because they flap their wings. Okay. So there are so many instruments that produces sound energy. The alarm clock is there, loudspeaker is there, guitar is there, piano, drums, and even the drums, they will not produce any sound until and unless you hit them. जब तक कि आप उन्हें hit नहीं करोगे, it will not produce any kind of the sound. So that is sound energy. Okay, that is sound energy. These are the instruments, and number of instruments are there. Even you also produces sound. Whenever we speak, that also produces sound. So that is sound energy. Okay. Now move to the next topic, that is mechanical energy. This one, mechanical energy. Now in this mechanical energy, as you can see, it is written the energy possessed by an object. Okay, the energy possessed by an object. There are two things which are very important. First one is position and second one is movement. So it means that every object contains the mechanical energy. every object contains mechanical energy. If the object is moving, then also it has mechanical energy. Even if the object is not moving but it is placed at a top. ठीक है, चाहे ऑब्जेक्ट मूव नहीं कर रहा है लेकिन अगर वो किसी हाइट पर रखा हुआ है, हाइट पर, just look at this picture, water dam. In this, as you know that water is kept in the dams at a very height. It's very high. So that height, यानी जो पानी रखा हुआ है वो एक हाइट के ऊपर रखा हुआ है. And when it's not even moving, जब वाटर इसमें रखा हुआ है और ये मूव भी नहीं कर रहा, then also it has the mechanical energy. Then also it has mechanical energy. Okay, I'm going to divide you the mechanical energy in two parts. Mechanical energy, I am writing ME for mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is combination of two energy. Combination of two energy. I am writing KINE, TIC, kinetic. That you must have heard. That is the name of a scooty also. Okay. And the second one I am writing potential. Potential I am writing. Potential. See, mechanical energy is a combination of kinetic and potential energy. जैसे हम position and movement की बात कर रहे हैं ना, so movement means kinetic. That movement means kinetic energy. And if the object is not moving but it placed at a height, so then it will be potential energy. Okay, so mechanical energy is a combination of two types of energy, that is kinetic and potential. So if an object is moving, that has kinetic energy, उसमें kinetic energy होगी if the object is moving. And if the object is not moving but it is placed at a height, then it has potential energy. Okay, that is why it is written the energy possessed by an object due to its position. उसकी पोजीशन या उसकी मूवमेंट की वजह से उसमें जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है, दैट इज मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. दैट इज मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. नाउ इन दिस पिक्चर एज यू सी, the water is coming down. The water comes down. Okay, and when the water comes down, it comes with a force. With the energy. So if it is moving, if the water starts moving, then it is known as kinetic energy. The water, when it moves, it has kinetic energy, but when it is placed at a height in the dam, then it has potential energy. Okay, so now I was saying that the potential energy is changing into kinetic energy. कि जब पानी रखा हुआ है तो potential energy है. When it starts flowing, then potential energy converted into kinetic energy. Okay, and when the water comes down, it used to rotate the turbines. Turbines is a kind of instrument which moves, and when it moves, it produces electricity. Okay, that is mechanical energy. So very simple, the energy possessed by an object due to its position, कि अगर वो मूव नहीं कर रहा है, एक ही प्लेस पर है, बट एक ही प्लेस का मतलब वो थोड़ी सी हाइट पर होना चाहिए, ठीक है. और मूवमेंट, तो अगर मूव कर रहा है तो इट इज वेरी सिंपल दैट इट हैज काइनेटिक एनर्जी and if it is not moving, then it has potential energy. Okay, and we uses that mechanical energy to produce electricity, and electricity means electrical energy. Electricity means electrical energy. Okay, class? Okay, so just now I taught you that how potential energy changes into kinetic energy. In the same way, all energies changes into another form. Energy changes from one form to another. How it changes? Now just pay attention to, first of all, this iron. Okay, just pay attention to that iron, electrical iron, this one that I am talking about. So in that electrical iron, you just put the plug inside the socket and you switch it on, and after some time you see that that iron gets heated, garam ho jati hai. So what you did, you gave the electrical energy, and this iron, that iron means जैसे आप प्रेस कहते हो, ठीक है, that iron converts or changes the electrical energy into heat energy. Okay, and in the same way here, the bulb that you can see, the bulb also runs on the electrical energy, that you know. What it gives? It gives light. And with light, it also gives us one more energy. When you switch on the bulb for some time, it gets heated up also. Garam ho jata hai. Okay. So it means the electrical energy that we provide to the bulb, that bulb changes into the light energy and heat energy. Okay, light energy and heat energy. So one form is changing into another form. Okay, now one more example. Doorbell. You press the button when electricity is there. If you press the button, electricity is there, means electrical energy is being used. So electrical energy is converted into what your doorbell gives you. Sound. And sound it gives. The bell rings and it produces the sound energy. So in this also electrical energy changes into sound energy. So all the forms of energy, they changes from one form to another. They changes from one form. Form means heat energy, light energy, wind energy, all these are the energies. Okay? So one energy changes into another energy. Now it depends कि कौन सी एनर्जी किस में चेंज होगी. सारी एनर्जी सारी फॉर्म्स में चेंज नहीं हो सकती. ओके, नहीं हो सकती. As when you switch on your TV, okay, then again you are using electricity and it starts showing you the pictures, means it is giving you light. So it is changing into light energy, as well as it starts giving you the voice of the person, means sound energy. Okay, so in this way the energies are changing from one to another. And in the radios also the same way as the doorbell works, the radio also works the same. It is using the electrical energy and changing the electrical energy into sound energy. Okay, so these are very simple examples. So I have given you the example of iron, and in the same way oven that we use nowadays, that also gets heated up. Even heater also you can say. Heater that uses electricity, and that electrical energy is changing into heat energy in the oven. Okay. Bulbs, CFL, your tube lights. So many objects are there which uses again electrical energy and it changes into light energy. And plus light, it also gives us what I told you. It gives us heat energy also, because the object get heated up. वो गर्म हो जाता है कुछ टाइम के बाद, है ना. So that is known as, it gives light energy plus heat energy also. And in the same way, doorbells, radio, these all are the examples where electrical energy changes into sound energy. Okay class. So I hope today this transformation of energy, transformation means one form to another, it's clear. We have studied only this one, how one form changes into another form of energy. Before that, I have told you about the mechanical energy, the energy possessed by an object due to its position or movement is mechanical energy. And then we have studied only the sound energy. When the object vibrates, it produces sound. Okay. So that only we have studied today. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay. Thank you.